Welcome to another video of my journey of making 100k in only 5 months as a 16-year-old. I'm in a down. I have a down. The last 2 days I didn't really make that much because I wanted to do that YouTube video so bad, a big video, but I have too high expectations for me that I can't like focus on my other businesses, which are more important than this YouTube video. Today I will finish it. I won't go to sleep, but I won't make it as I wanted because it takes way too much time and I can't, like, with this high expectations, if I put that much time in this video, I want to put this in every video, and then I can't focus on my real businesses because YouTube isn't making me any money. I'm just giving you the source, and I like helping people. I want to help you. If you want more free help, join my Discord server down below. I don't sell anything, just my days. Yes, because I didn't get the video done, I couldn't upload the other videos or cut the other videos, or it's not good. And today I didn't even have time to do anything for no business because I was out of my house the whole day, and it's really not nice to be out of the house the whole day. Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, and tomorrow I really have to work a lot. I have to make all the things I didn't do the last days and just like be more productive. And today my start in the day wasn't that good. You know, I have this routine where I really like stay up instantly and stuff like that. This morning I didn't do that because I thought it's Saturday, but I will change it and I will get out of this down and just like make more because I have time. Last times I really worked a lot, and now I want to come back to these times because it's now 2 days and I will change it. If you are in the down, just like look forward and it will work. I will work on the quality of my videos, but don't set too high expectations because it's a simple day vlogs, and if I have too high production in these videos, they will end like the video it's ending now. I can't like finish them. So if anyone wants to learn cutting YouTube videos, hit me up in my Discord server. I'm hiring an editor because I have so much important stuff to do, and YouTube is one of them, but it's not money making. I need that money real quick. You know, 100k in 5 months. So see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the big video. You've already seen it, I will now get it done, and if not, please watch it. Link is in the description. I would be very thankful, and see you in the next one.